Hi guys, welcome to the Learn Trading the Robot lesson today. My mission for this video is to show you how understanding candlesticks can make you profitable and make you successful in this market. And I'm just going to teach you about the pin bar today, and I'm going to use the daily candlesticks time frame on the USD is indicated up here, the USD Canadian uh, forex pairs. And again, I'm a believer of simple and uncomplicated trading indicators. With this, I'm only going to use the candlestick pattern, maybe simple moving averages here, and then the stochastic oscillator below here. So on this market, I want to show you the importance of understanding candlesticks, okay, and how you can only wait and trade only on that and become profitable. So straight to the point, as you can see, this market was in a uptrend for the longest time. The market was, going up for the longest time. So many days, immediately they crossed over these moving averages. The market was constantly on an uptrend. The same could be visible here on the oscillator, meaning the market at some point from here around this area, the market was already on an oversold position. So let me change the color so that we can be able to see each other. So from this point, as a trader, you are supposed to note that this market is already on an oversold position. It has already had so much momentum, probably triggered by news, and the market is continuing going up. So I don't think that any sane trader would be entering the market from around this area. Because the market can turn anytime. Let me take my pencil here. Okay, the market from here again can go any direction. All right. So as a trader, if your market is already on an overbought position and your indicators are showing the market is already oversold, overbought, and the momentum is almost waning or it's starting to decline based on the indicators, the market right now must only be moving or could only be moving on the sentimental part of it, the fundamentals and the late buyers coming in, the fear of missing out, people are coming in. However, if you're an experienced trader, you clearly know that this is your time to exit the market and then wait for the next signal, because as we know, as the market goes, the market will always pull back and either continue or the market will either reverse. And what happened 2 days later, after this candlestick, we formed what we call what? A doji. All right. Candlestick patterns, understanding candlestick patterns. We formed a doji, but as you can see, this big bullish candlestick here already started giving a sign after the market came up high and was rejected. That means that at this level here, there was a lot of selling power. Okay, the bears were waiting here because when this candlestick tried to hit here, it was immediately reversed. But there was still quite a number of bullish. But I think when people saw this, most of the wise traders, they started exiting the market. They started taking their profits, and that is why the next day we formed a doji, and a simple doji. We formed a doji at this level. And what happens when the market does that? The strategy tells us if a pin buster, not sorry, not a doji. We formed a pin back candle, and what happens when the market forms a pin back candle? It is an indication that you might be in for either pullback or reversal, and this is what happened. Uh, from the doji, the market came all the way down. Okay, uh, came all the way down without uh, much of you know um of resistance, because the market was ready, the patterns were ready, and the traders were ready. So what I'm trying to say is that just follow the candlestick pattern, because as a trader you don't need to trade every day. You can wait for a month, like these are almost 30 days, over 30 days, and then take one trade like this one, ride with it up to around these areas. Okay, based on your strategy, based on your pip strategy, maybe here, exit here, because this market, the only time this market would have been questionable was uh, maybe around here, which is just that I've cut my video up to there, because going down there, the market also hit this level. So follow the simple strategy, follow uh, the candlestick patterns, learn to read signs of the market, and you'll be profitable. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it will help you, and happy trading.